Imagine your blog post not just read, but felt. A local Arizona business cracked the code with one secret weapon: online marketing media services. What if I told you that crafting engaging blog posts can skyrocket your sales overnight? Think vibrant images, catchy headlines, and stories that stick like glue. But here's the twist: 70% of readers never finish a blog. Scary, right? That's why local businesses are teaming up with marketing pros who know exactly how to keep eyes glued from first word to last. Arizona's desert heat isn't the only thing rising, so is their customer base. Using data-driven strategies, they target the right audience, turning clicks into loyal customers. And here's the mind-blower: personalized content increases engagement by 80%. If your blog isn't talking directly to your reader, you're losing out. Ready to make your blog the talk of Arizona streets? Start weaving stories with vivid images and catchy phrases that scream your brand. What's stopping your local business from becoming the next big headline? Feel inspired? Dive into the world of online marketing media and watch your blog transform into a powerful business magnet. What story will you tell today to hook your audience?